Hi everybody, let's see what we are going to create today. You see it has a unique effect. Let's try to create that. At first we need to insert a new slide. In our new slide we have three rectangles that are simply made that they are rectangles and nothing more, but also they have some shadows, down shadows, and nothing more. After doing that we need to insert a shape here. Now we need to color everything up. We format the background, and for the background we are going with this color, and we format this to this color also, and we also gave it no outline. Now we need to color everything else up to this color. Okay, now we copy the text. The text is just simple text that created by using Overdrive Sunset and nothing more important. We can color this up to this blue also. We copy this slide, and here we select these three and bring them up like this. And we here just simply set the transition to morph. Now let's see the magic happened. You see it's looking crazily good, and I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments, and I hope you enjoy their life. Have a nice time.